Placido, you're alive?
Yes, boss. I mean, why shouldn't I be? Buhay po ako. I, I think. Yes, buhay po ako.
Placido, we thought you were dead. You were supposed to have gotten the sample and Dr. Pacheco's approval 2 weeks ago. Akala namin you've been killed by enemy agents na. Placido, listen to me. Nasa iyo ang pinaka-importanting misyon. Kailangan natin na makuha mo ang agreement ni Dr. Pacheco. Kinakailangan pumayag siya na tumira sa ating state-of-the-art bunker system bago maganap ang malaking sakuna. Siya lang ang nakakaintindi ng bagong science na tinatawag na quantum subversion theorem. Kakailanganin ng humanity ang kanyang talino upang masolusyonan ang pinakamalaking problema at mapigilan ang extinction of humanity. Hindi ka maaaring pumalya sa misyon mo.
Kailan ba naman ako pumalya, boss?
Placido, please, you have to understand na if I had any choice, hindi ikaw ang ipapadala ko sa mission na yan. Pero according sa ating research, si Dr. Pacheco ay nagtataglay ng extreme shyness on account of high school bullies na nagtorment sa kanya from childhood until last week. I know it's weird na 75-year-old man siya na sinusundan pa rin ng high school bullies niya. But all geniuses have their eccentricities. In a way, it's kind of heartwarming. Dahil sa pagbuli nila kay Dr. Pacheco, hindi nawala ang bond ng kanilang high school classmates sa isa't isa. Nangyari to sa isang premier university sa Paris, France. Mukha bang kaya nilang maka-afford ng trip sa France? No! They had to crowdfund for this. Nagkaroon pa sila ng acoustic night sa Cubao para lang makabili ng plane tickets papuntang France. At yan ang dahilan kung bakit ang pwede ko lang ipadala kay Dr. Pacheco ay ang least threatening agent ng ating organization.
I won't disappoint you, ma'am. Ako ang magiging least threatening agent in the history of shadowy organizations that secretly control the destiny of the human race without moral qualms, basic empathy, or congressional oversight.
Do you think that free will is real or not?
Dr. Pacheco will like me right away.
Actual free will?
Free will is real. When I was in grade school, may whale show dito sa Philippines. Tapos may killer whale na napamahal ako. And then me and my dad, we saved that whale. That sucked.